you're running a small business and you're not using surveys as yet, you're flying blind. You don't really know what your customers need, you don't know why they don't come back, or what would make them spend even more. With the right survey tool, not only will you collect customer feedback after purchase, but you'll also improve your products and services. You'll also be able to turn simple forms into sales and leads. And in this tutorial, I'll be breaking down 6 best survey tools for small businesses. I'll be going from number 6 to number 1, and I'll show you which one is best for your business depending on the stage you're in. Now, let's dive in. Quick disclosure, I've included links in the pinned comment and description for a few of these tools, so you can sign up for completely free, and it will also help to support the channel. So thank you in advance. Google Forms is a simple free survey tool inside the Google Workspace ecosystem. It's basic, but it works. I would consider Google Forms best for very small businesses that just need a simple internal or customer survey and want to start with zero extra cost. Why I recommend it for small business? It is 100% free and easy to learn. It integrates with Google Sheets so you can analyze responses, and it is also good for quick feedback and staff polls or basic customer satisfaction surveys. But there are a few pullbacks. For example, it is very limited when it comes onto branding and design, and no real wow experience for customers. And it is limited when it comes onto built-in logic compared with the other tools on this list. So I would recommend you use Google Form if you're just testing the idea of surveys and want something quick and free before you upgrade. At number 5, we have SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is one of the most established online survey tools with a big template library and strong analytics. TechRadar recently ranked it as one of the top overall survey tools for businesses, and I would consider it best for small businesses that want more serious survey features but don't necessarily need fancy design. Some of its standout features include a large library of survey templates, strong analytics and reporting so you can slice responses by segment, and good for more formal surveys where data, quality, and also structure matter more than aesthetics. There are a few pullbacks. For example, surveys feel more traditional or corporate and less interactive. Also, design customization is limited compared with Typeform or Involve.me. And when it comes onto SurveyMonkey, you can get started for free, and their paid plan begins at $25 if you were to go onto their team plan. And you can see they also have individual plan that begins at $35 based on the amount of responses that you're expecting. At number 4, we have Involve.me. Involve.me is an interactive survey, quiz, and funnel builder that lets you create multi-step logic-based experiences, not just static surveys. It's heavily focused on engagement and lead generation and conversions, and now includes a powerful AI survey builder. I would consider it best for small businesses that want their surveys to do double duty as lead gen funnels, product recommendation quizzes, onboarding flows, and also post-purchase feedback journeys. And the reason why it is a great fit for small business: first, build interactive multi-step surveys with logic jumps, scoring, and personalized end screens. New AI agent can build and tweak surveys just by chatting, including logic, copy, and structure, which is perfect if you're not a tech person. Also, built-in AI insights to summarize open text responses and generate key findings and recommendations in seconds. And you'll be able to publish it as a landing page, embed it on your site, or show up as a pop-up or fully responsive on your mobile. And it is perfect when it comes onto certain use cases. For example, post-purchase surveys that end with a coupon or upsell, product recommendation surveys that tag leads and send them to a specific email sequence, onboard or intake forms that feel like a guided experience instead of a boring form. If you want your survey to actually act like a mini funnel that collects data and helps you sell more, Involve.me is a strong pick. And when it comes onto their pricing, you can see right here, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $49 and it can go up to $199. At number 3, we have JotForm. JotForm is a drag and drop online form and survey builder with thousands of templates and deep integration options. TechRadar recently highlighted it as one of the best all-round alternatives to Google Forms for small businesses. Small businesses that want one tool to handle surveys, contact forms, order forms, event registration, and also internal forms. And the reason why it works so well is because it has a huge template library, also a drag and drop builder that non-technical team members can use easily, and it supports payments, file uploads, e-signatures, and more. And when it comes on to pricing, you can get started for completely free, as you can see right there, and their monthly plan begins at $34. At number 2, we have Survey Sparrow. And Survey Sparrow is a survey tool built around conversational chat-like surveys that feel more like a back and forth than a static form. It's often mentioned alongside the top survey tools for its modern experience and solid free tier. I would consider it best for businesses that want surveys that feel friendly and interactive, especially on mobile. And the reason why it stands out is its chat-style survey layout and also good templates set for NPS or CSAT or employee feedback and also product feedback. Multi-channel sharing, for instance, web, email, Slack, Teams, and it also offers a free plan that lets you test the experience before upgrading. And when it comes on to pricing, as I said earlier, they offer a free plan, and you can see that their monthly plan begins typically at around $39, and it can go up to $399, as you can see right here. At number 1, we have Typeform, and I would consider Typeform best overall survey experience for small businesses. Typeform is a beautiful interactive form and survey tool designed around one key idea. When forms look and feel good, people actually complete them. And I would consider it best for small businesses that want surveys to feel premium, on brand, and high converting, especially for customer feedback, lead gen, and onboarding. And the reason why it is number 1 on this list is clean, one question at a time layout that feels human and less overwhelming, strong logic jumps, hidden fields, and also personalization, so every respondent sees a tailored path, deep integrations with tools like HubSpot, Slack, Notion, Zapier, and more, so survey data flows straight into your workflows, and also tons of templates for post-purchase surveys, NPS, onboarding, market research, and lead gen forms. And it is perfect when it comes on to use cases like website feedback widgets that look on brand and non-intrusive, and lead management surveys or quizzes that route people to different offers, also client onboarding surveys. And when it comes on to pricing, you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $29 and it can go up to $99.